Hello and welcome to the Shurley English Two-Minute Tip of the Day. Today's topic is homonyms. Many words in our English language look or sound alike, so knowing homonyms will help make your students' writing clear and understandable. Homonyms are words which are homophones or homographs. Let's take a look at the etymology of the word. Homo comes from the Greek word for same. Phone comes from the Greek word for sound. Therefore, homophone means same sound. Words that are pronounced the same and spelled differently are called homophones. These two items are an example of homophones. A pair of shoes and a piece of fruit are called a pear. They sound the same. But you should know homophones are spelled differently. The image on the left represents the word right. The image on the right represents the word right. They sound just the same, but they're spelled differently. Look at the chart. At a glance, you can see some of the homophones that you use on a daily basis. To avoid misusing homophones, it's important to learn the word's definition and part of speech. Then, reading it in context will make it easy to understand. If you remember that meat is a noun, a thing, it will be much harder to confuse it with meet, the verb, an action. Let's shift gears and talk about another homonym called the homograph. When looking at the word's etymology, we know that homo means same. Graph comes from the Greek word for write. So homograph means words that are written the same. Let's look at a couple of homographs from this chart. Look at the word spelled B-O-W. It is pronounced bow, and it means a decorative knot in a ribbon. Now look at the word beneath it. The word is bow, and it is also spelled B-O-W. Bow means to bend at the waist. Now look at the last set of homographs. The top word is spelled W-I-N-D, and it's pronounced wind, which means moving air currents. The word beneath it is also spelled W-I-N-D, but it's pronounced wind, and it means to turn, as a clock's spring. To avoid confusion in writing, students must rely on context clues to clarify the meaning of words that are spelled the same. Help your students master homonyms so they can stay on track to becoming confident, competent communicators. Thanks for tuning in to another 2-Minute Tip of the Day. Be sure to check out www.shurley.com for more information.